As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Q2200. What do you think?
Both are pretty popular. The Charbroil is definitely lighter, only 20 pounds. The Weber is a hefty 42.5.
Yeah, portability is key for me. But the Weber has a bigger cooking area, 280 square inches versus Charbroil's 200. More burgers at once.
True. And the Weber kicks out 12,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil is at 9,500. So potentially faster heating with the Weber.
The Charbroil uses that TRU-Infrared cooking system, though. Supposedly eliminates flare-ups and cooks more evenly. Does the Weber have anything like that?
Not specifically, but Weber's known for good heat distribution anyway. Plus, the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates. Those are great for heat retention and searing. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are okay, but not quite as good.
Okay, good point. The Charbroil is significantly cheaper, though. I'm seeing it for around $150, whereas the Weber, well, it's unavailable right now, but it's usually more expensive.
Price matters, and the Charbroil has push-button ignition, which is standard. The Weber has electronic ignition, which some folks find more reliable.
The Weber has folding side tables, which is a nice touch for prep space. The Charbroil doesn't seem to have any.
Yep, that's a big difference. Think about where you'll be using it. Do you need those tables? Also, the Weber has a built-in thermometer in the lid. Handy.
Oh yeah, the Charbroil has that too. So both have that. Tough choice. Seems like the Weber is higher quality, bigger and more powerful, but also heavier, and probably pricier. The Charbroil is lighter, cheaper, and has that infrared thing going for it, but smaller cooking space.
Basically, it really depends on your priorities. If portability and price are the biggest factors, the Charbroil might be the way to go. If you want more cooking space and don't mind the extra weight and cost, the Weber is probably better.
Thanks. That helps a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.